You send out to the lab, you set up the teeth, right? Right? And then you do the fast tuning and everything, right? Before you send out to the lab, this is supposed to be like this, right?
Yeah.
Right? Right?
Yeah.
And then this one is Facebook, right?
Oh,
right?
Yeah.
So if you put any rim like this at the bottom, and then you cut the
Why? What's that?
oh, George already back.
Oh, hey, I want to see the trick.
Okay, so you cut it like this, right? And then let's say that there's no plaster in here, okay? So you can apply on here, right? Then you can drop down some plaster. So this cup is holding by the plaster with this rim, right? Right? And then after that, you're trying to put it in. This is too tall, right? So right? And then
So does this eliminate the need of the face bow then?
that's right.
Sweet.
So you put it in here, and this is already engaged with the plaster, right? You bend it in here like this,
Nice.
like open flower,
That's a nice
Right?
little thing.
This is not of a manual.
yeah, this is not in the manual.
It'll be in the newer one then.
And then,
Exhibition.
and then you apply the plaster onto this area, right? And then if you make an indentation, right? Right? Then that's already, already a Facebook transfer.
So you can just mount that plate.
So
with that
you can
plaster.
mount it already, okay? Then there's a question you might think, oh my God, I changed the border, right? Is it going to fit or not? Okay, it still fit because there is some palatal area which has some reference point, right? So it will fit, okay? So don't worry. And then if you're really lazy, usually what we are recommending is mix the white plaster, make about half of the inch, and then you make an indentation. So A goes to A, right? Open back.
Try to make it more accurate.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Could you help me to press it down? That? No. Upper one with the thumb. Okay, like this. See, he remembers. Okay. So, I'm trying to make as accurate as possible. And then I type the lower one. And then I type the upper one, right?
I like that.
Okay?
Knob instead of
And then just to let it go. Okay, make sure this is not hitting. Of course it's not gonna hit because there is a stone was there, right?
yeah.
So don't have to worry about that much. Denture, unlikely fixed. We are dealing with the soft tissue. So if we check the bite, against the soft tissue, then it might be biting like this, all right? It might be biting like this, but with one area a little bit compressed.
If I were to use the paper towel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's maybe a little bit up. I'm pressing down, but that's not a big of the deal because I get the excess.
Yeah.
That's right. And then you feel like this one is already cooled down, okay? Just for you. And then you're a little bit slow, so this is already hot. Don't take it out. Just put it in. Okay? Because this water is only of 110 degrees, not that, okay? So you're not destroying the denture. Okay, so put it in here, tempering again. Tap, 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 a little bit of water out. And push it in. Oh, don't bite, don't bite. And then let me control it. Relax, relax, okay. No, okay, open. Open. Okay, open, open. Okay. Nothing to touch it, only this, nothing touch, right? This is not the right position, right?
Why is that? Okay. That is right there. There.
This is the right position, right?
That's flush.
Right? So that area need to be
Oh,
flushed.
you can see it. It's like it's.
So put it in here, and then am I...
Must be nice. Block and undercut.
So it's easy to take it out later. Pin is always up, okay? Moment of truth.
There it is.
It's perfect. Look
Come on.
at that.
Tripodization.
Perfect.
Oh,
Okay, this is heavy for sure, right?
yeah.
Right?
Just that.
Yeah, but anyway, with the whatever that is, it's heavy, right?
Yeah.
So we have to adjust it, right? And then this one and this one, it is acceptable, but bicuspid area is not touching, right?
That's good.
We don't want that, right?
That's
So
good.
first we remove this one, and then slightly moving this one. Okay?
No, there was a mark on the actual.
On that acrylic?
Yeah, acrylic. No. I guess we're doing it. Don't use the high speed.
High speed?
Denture, high speed is only when you're placing the rest seat, you're adjusting the framework.
You could use the front bar to adjust it.
How's it look, please?
Oh,
Marvelous.
A
Yes.
little better.
Marvelous.
This is heavy, right?
What about that?
Yeah.
That's heavy, right?
Dude, that is awesome. Putting the benches back together. How we use plastic. Oh, that's awesome. Open.
Come on.
Open.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, you're moving forward, right?
Yeah, we're moving
Okay,
forward.
so if I get one of
Heavy.
it's slightly heavy in here, right? To here
Yeah.
and here, okay? Okay, it's about there. Everything's there, okay? Then you have an excursive movement. The anterior touches it, posterior touches it, and then the other anterior, the posterior touches it, right? So it's not that great, but you can hear. Another movement. Anterior touches, how can I make it? How can I fake it? Anterior touches, posterior touches, and then lingual side are touching. Okay? So there's a tripod. So denture is stabilizing it when patient is moving.